Good Friday morning, everyone. You are looking at Echo Lake in northwest Montana. About 48 degrees, 8:30 in the morning. Beautiful. Getting up in the 70s today. Let's go see what we can get into. The water is super low today. Normally, we have to take this path, but all that shore is available. Right there is an osprey's nest. Osprey. Love wildlife. Nature's amazing. I believe that is Blacktail Mountain Ski Resort. What a beautiful morning. And what a gnarly tree.
We're at the lake today, guys. Some nice people have sent me some lures. Todd Saw and Sock from the KMAC project. Out here testing them out today. Give you a shot of what we're dealing with. First one we're going to try one that Todd sent me. Got to try that guy out first. Then next we'll try out one of these MIPs here that Sock sent me. Maybe I won't get skunked today, guys. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're out here fishing today. Tiffany left me this one to show you. Look at that. Great little guy.
We're in northwest Montana, doing some fishing and playing with rocks, and we had to spell the word love. What a beautiful Mother's Day weekend at the lake. Getting our vitamin in today. That is our osprey's nest. Be sure to like and subscribe for more outdoor adventures.